Today, I'm going to show you one strategy which can work forever. Also, I'm going to show you step by step what do you need to do in order to make money with this. There are a few simple steps. All you have to do is to follow each one of them and the money is going to be yours. Hit that subscribe and let's go and do it. First of all, you want to visit this website. This website is called Kraken.com, and this website serves as a wallet so you can buy Bitcoin or crypto. But don't worry, today I'm not going to show you to buy any crypto. We won't make any crypto today, but we're going to use this website in order to get money for ourselves. It's an easy strategy that I have recently found out, and it paid me really good money. Once again, the website is called Kraken.com, and this website is used by a lot of people. You can see that it works all around the world. Wherever you live, you can use the website, and of course, you can make money with this wherever you live. Anybody can make money with this. You just have to take some action. You will have to invest a bit of your time because without investing at least your time, you won't get any money for yourself. That's how life works. Now, whether you want crypto or not, this is a good thing to have. Bitcoin and all the others are going to go up soon. This year is going to be a crypto year, so it's always good to have some in your wallets. But if you don't want to, it's okay. This website can give us PayPal money as well, and this is what we have to do. First of all, I want to show you that Kraken is a really popular thing. If you go over to SimilarWeb, you will find that Kraken.com has 6 million total visits. So 6 million total visits each month. This means that it's a good website and it can make us money. Now you can see that this website is a constant number, 6 million all the time. So people are coming and they use this. But Kraken.com wants something else. They want to get more people on the website. They want to get more people using their app, and they want to get more people to pay them those fees. So how can actually Kraken.com give us the money? Now this is what Kraken.com wants. If you come on the web page and you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you will find something interesting. You will find this section. It is called affiliates. Now affiliates, you know what it is. Affiliate marketing is a good thing. Now affiliate marketing is commonly used with Amazon and such things where you just sell the products, where you get the traffic, and because you get the traffic, you get a certain commission. But this is a bit different because the product here is Kraken.com. So the product is a website, and the more people we get to this website, the more money we can get. I made the whole strategy. So just take a look at this. The payout is 20%. So of all of the trading fees collected from clients, you will get the lifetime commission, okay? So the lifetime commission is really good, and you can get up to $1,000 payout per referral. So $1,000 payout per each one of those referrals. That's the maximum amount of money that you can get here, and that's some good money, guys. You have some affiliate requirements, but you don't have to complete these because I'm going to tell you the strategy. I'm going to tell you what else you can do, what else can you propose, and how to actually make this easy for you. So what do you want to do? You want to click on this. Click here to become an affiliate. When you click on that, you'll be redirected to theimpact.com. This is the website which is a partner of Kraken.com. Now what you want to do is you want to fill in these details: full name, email address, username. This company information you don't need. Just fill this out. It's going to work anywhere in the world, and you're going to see that you can get 20% of order sale amount. Now the maximum payout is $1,000 per customer, and that's good money, guys. Now after you complete all of this, you just scroll down, click on the sign up button, and we can start with the strategy on how to get a lot of traffic. So once you get your affiliate link for Kraken.com, you can simply go over to Google and you can type in ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT, here it is, OpenAI.com. ChatGPT is an AI tool which can write for you. It can code for you. It can do a lot of things for you. Basically, it's an AI bot which is going to do all the hard work. You're just going to get the money. So what do you want to do when you come here? Click on Try GPT and you're going to be redirected in here. Now the next thing that you can do is you can just type in how to buy crypto. If you ask this bot on how to buy crypto, it will write to you. It will write all that you need to know. It will write you a text, and you can even write a blog post for this method. So it's going to give you an outline and it's going to work like wonder. It's going to write scripts for you, and we can use these scripts to attract a lot of people and to get a lot of money. So while this is writing, guys, you just wait a bit, and when it's done, you just copy all of this text. This text can be used anywhere. It can be used on YouTube. It can be used on forums. It can be used on Reddit. It can be used on Facebook. It can be used basically anywhere, and you can just use this in order to make money for yourself. Now the first traffic source which you can use is YouTube. You have a lot of crypto videos on YouTube. and YouTube has a lot of traffic. The more traffic we get, the more chances we've got to make that money. So first of all, let's use YouTube. We're going to use this text to make videos, and the tool which is going to make the videos for us is called InVideo. InVideo.io, here it is. This is a software which is going to make the video for you based on the text you propose. They have a lot of these templates. They have fast making of video, and all of the work is going to be done by them. So you don't have nothing to do in here. You can just copy and paste the text, and it's going to give you the whole video. Now, when you make yourself an account on InVideo, this is what you want to get: text to video. Text to video is a software which is going to turn that text into any video of your choice. You have a lot of these templates here, so you can use one of them. You can use whatever. Just make something which is similar to crypto. When you find a video that you like, you will get a preview right here. You can watch it, and if you like it, you can just click on Use Template. With this template, it's going to allow you to just paste that text in here where it says script, and it's going to make a video based around that. Now what you want to do is you want to take that text which ChatGPT made for you. You can just copy it and then go back and paste that script in here, and then just click on this button, Create Scenes. This is going to create the whole video for you. That video will be ready to upload in here, and then all that you have to do is to put in the description your affiliate link from Kraken.com. A lot of people are going to watch that video, and a lot of people are going to go over to Kraken and they're going to buy something from there. And then you're going to get a lifetime commission of 20% of the order sale, and those fees up to $1,000 payout per customer. If you like this strategy already, hit that subscribe button of ours. Thank you. Now you can see that InVideo.io has made the video for us. It is a professionally written and professionally made video for us. We've got the script for free. ChatGPT made us the script, and InVideo made us the whole video. So we don't have nothing else to do. Now we've just got to upload that to YouTube, and we're going to get a lot of those sales. But this is not the only source of traffic. What you could do is you could just head over to Google and you can just type in crypto forums, and there are a lot of forums online. Just take a look at this: top 40 cryptocurrency forums, discussions, and message boards. So what you can do is you can go and engage with the people inside of these forums. Someone on these forums is looking to how to buy crypto, and you can help them with recommending Kraken.com. And whenever they buy the crypto from Kraken, you get a commission up to $1,000 per person. Also, what you can do is you can just go over to Reddit and find cryptocurrency discussions on Reddit. Reddit has a lot of traffic. It's a popular website where a lot of people come to discuss. Reddit is good because of this. It has 1.7 billion total visits. Yes, that's billion. 1.7 billion total visits each month. So that's a lot of potential customers for your affiliate link. This website is packed with traffic, and you can see down there that it is a constant number, 1.7 billion each month. So when you find yourself in these cryptocurrency discussions, you can just engage with the people, and you can recommend them to go and sign up on Kraken if they want to get themselves involved into some crypto. Kraken.com is going to help them, and they're going to be thankful to you. And of course, you're going to get money for it, 20% of order sale amount and $1,000 per payout customer. Now all that you have to do is to follow these steps, get them done, make the money, and I'll catch you.